Want to capture your favorite moments in a game, but you're not sure how to take screenshots on Steam? Or maybe you already take them but have no idea where they actually end up on your computer? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, let's take a screenshot. While you're in any game on Steam, press the F12 key on your keyboard. As soon as you press it, a screenshot is taken. By default, you should hear a small shutter sound and see a notification in the corner confirming it. Now, if you want to change how this works, here's exactly what to do. In the top left corner of Steam, click on Steam, then click Settings. In the Settings window, click on In-Game from the left side menu. Now scroll down until you see the Screenshot section. Here you can click on the Screenshot shortcut key field and press a new key if you don't want to use F12. Right below that, you can enable or disable the screenshot sound, turn the notification on or off, and adjust other screenshot-related settings. Now, once you've taken your screenshots, where do you actually find them? There are two simple ways. The first way is through Steam itself. At the top, click on View, then Screenshots. From here, select the game you took the screenshot in and you'll see all your images. If you want to access the actual files, just click Show on Disk and it'll open the exact folder on your computer. The second way is directly from your library. Go to your game, scroll down a bit, and you'll find a screenshot section there. It works the same way here. From both of these places, you can also share them with others, which is great if you want to show off a cool moment. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to take screenshots and find them quickly on Steam.